The biggest competition you have in your life right now, good girl, are the man where you lay down in the bed with. Nobody no fight against you than a boy will eat you, but still there with you because him can't afford to left you. Because him know the purpose what you have, but guess what? Him can't let go of gem because how dare you have something in your hand like that and you let it go. But low key, not even low key, very high key because you're sitting at the boy face. You ever catch a boy and look at you a dirty way and when the flashback your eye and watch the boy expression upon his face when the man look at you in a disgust. No for uno man disgust with uno. Some of uno blind because they make love and butterfly blind, you know. But uno don't realize that the boy no know it in a you. But talk to man on a regular day to day and they open up to me and share some things. I mean, a girl, me been a road. My man have been a road long and hard, but me been a road for no say man sometimes. I literally the weapon we farm against some woman. Nobody eat for you like a boy. You ever have an idea you can go to a boy with an idea and the boy would do everything in his power to talk you outside because you don't have the confidence in you to know so you can pull it off or him feel like say if you pull off that one thing you're gonna get better than him. And this is why 20 story in a one. Enough man you will see man say they will never send back the woman to school. You will see, remember say one boy they look at me and tell me say when me say someone go back to school, the boy they look at me and tell me say which school you at but you big man work if go look what kind of school you at but I never forget that event, that specific day because you know what a boy will never want you to do better off than him. Because the minute you start do better off than him as a man, is going to make him feel less masculine and he's going to realize that you're going to leave him eventually. And this is why I see enough man will not invest in a woman. And the more ambitious you are, the less this man will invest in you. I watched a video the other day where a lady said her husband deliberately trying to get her overweight, trying to make her fat. So when she fat now, she ugly. So no man a road now look on her. So my own woman there yard I don't feel like say because your man take you as stay at home girlfriend or stay at home baby, but my man don't make me work. My man pay the bills. You feel like say it's the best thing. Y'all don't know it's all about control. That the boy will literally have control over you, so cut off your financial supply. And you as Miss Goody Two Shoes don't feel like in it. Say, oh, I got a good man, girl. He pays the bill. He got the good. Then when the boy losing job, when the boy, that's why enough bunnings go on and someone have to sit down in a bun relationship. Because you can't 7-9 level because the boy cut off the whole of your financial support. If the boy not draw the money give you, if the boy not selling the money and access to finance, and then they take it a little step further now is that they start to cut you off from your friends and family. You start to realize that them start critique your family or the one friend that you have you open up your can. If you have some friend will see what go on the outside, where they spill the guts or not, and your friend with people in your relationship and say this is not going on, this something not add up, the maths not add up. But you realize that the man will come to you and tell you if you cut off the friend there, you will have 2 man friend in your life will look at you as a sister, you look at him as a brother, and we come and start to accuse you of there with that man there and start cut off your supply and your